Hello, welcome to this video. Today I would like to show you this really simple knit hat for beginners. It's really easy pattern. I will work in round with circle needle, but don't worry, if you are a complete beginner, I will show you how to work with it step by step. You'll need for this pattern measure tape, stitch marker, scissors, yarn needle and 4.5mm circle needle and 100% acrylic yarn called Sweet Roll from Himalaya. Okay, you can start with inside or outside tail. It's up to you what color you want to have on start. And this is my favorite needles, bamboo needles, and it's 4.5mm, and we will cast on both of them. We will make a size for 6 to 9 months old baby, so the hat circumference should be about 42 centimeters. So leave the tail 3 times longer. Now make a slip knot and work with both needles. So this is first stitch on your needle. And now I will cast on like this. Insert your point finger and thumb like this inside both tails and turn. And like this I'm going to cast on. And I need to have 77 stitches on my needles. And 77 because we will lose 1 stitch when we will join the circle. So if you have any other way how to join the circle, you have to have even count for this pattern. So continue working cast on, and you can pause the video and then meet me back. So by my way, you must have 77 stitches on your needles. Of course, if you will need bigger hat, you have to cast on more stitches, but if you will follow me in my way how to join the circle, you must have on your needles odd count. Now check your stitches if they are going the same way like mine, and be careful, it has to stay like this till joining the circle. It must not turn around. And now we need to get this tail or both tails on the other needle. So we need to get it on the other side of needle, and I'm going to push nearly all of the stitches on the left needle. And still check it if it's not turned around, and now hold both tails, hold it like this, check if your stitches are not turned around again. And because we are making a smaller size, we don't have many stitches on needles, so you have to pull this little cord or line, I don't know what is it in English, I'm sorry, just pull it out, and you need to get a few stitches on your right needle. So like this. Again, check it if it's not turned around. It's very, very important. And now we are going to lose the one stitch. You can see all stitches are going right way, and now we are going to work with working tail, and just take the first stitch on your left needle, take it and get it on your right needle like this. Now take your last stitch on your right needle, get it over the first stitch, and that's all. We join the circle. So we got it off from our needle. It's like cast off. So now we have even count on our needles. Now you can pull the right needle out, and we can start to knit the head. The first of 10 rows we will make rib stitch. So first stitch, just knit, and then make purl stitch. So yarn in front of your left needle and make purl stitch. Now knit and purl, knit and purl. So we will take turns knit and purl stitch. Let me know below the video if you will have any problems with the joining the circle, or with the circle needles, or with this pattern, and I will answer you straight away. And I think it is good to know this way. For me it's more comfortable, so try it with me, and I'm sure you can do it. Now you can see where is the purl, where is the knit stitch, but it will be more visible in the second row. Okay, we are at the end of the first row. So the last stitch you have to purl. So this is last stitch, and you can use stitch marker because it's good to know where is the start of the row. So I'm going to put it on my needle now, so I know in front of stitch marker is first stitch, and you will again knit and purl. So start with knit, purl, knit, purl. First stitch you have to knit, second stitch you have to purl, then knit, purl, knit, purl, and you will continue working like this 10 rows. If you want to have the lower part of a hat higher, just make more rows. But for this size, it's enough when you will make 10 rows. 10 rows of rib stitch. And you can make 12 or 15 rows. It's up to you. Okay, just take turns, knit and purl stitch, continue working like this and make 10 rows together, or more if you want. Okay, I have done 10 rows, nearly done. So I'm going to finish the 10th row. And then will be a little change, and from now it will be easier, it will be quicker. And from now you will just knit every stitch. The tension of the working tail is very important, so try to have the same tension. Don't move with your needles or fingers much, and try to work the same. Okay, so just knit every stitch, and just sweet tip from me, you should have the tension of the working tail still the same, so don't move with your fingers and needles much, and try to have tension of the working tail still the same. So for this size we need to have the length of hat about 16 centimeters. Okay, so I have the length of hat 16 centimeters. I have done 45 rows if you want to know it, and you can see I don't have the white color on my hat. I think it's maybe nicer, but this yarn is really nice. It's the colors. There are 3 colors and they are really nice together. Now take a yarn needle, and we need to close the upper part of hat. So I'm going to do it by needle, and insert your needle into each stitch. So insert your needle into each stitch all the way around. Okay, now I am at the end, and you can pull the needle off. Pull the tail and try to tighten it, and then we will little sew. So to the left side again, and sew till you have the hole closed. So make a few stitches in a round. I'm going to do it on the other side, so get your needle over here and sew it on this side because it's better. Of course, it will not be visible. Okay, the hole is closed, and now I'm going to make just 2 slip knots. If you want to crochet with me, just click on the links above or in description of this video. There are many videos from me, so you can try to crochet with me, or there is also a video pattern for knit headband, knit twisted headband. I'll make more videos of knit hats and other things like jumpers or scarves, so subscribe my channel and click the bell for more videos, then you'll not miss any my video. So I have done my hat. I think it's pretty nice and really easy to do. So the last step what you have to do is sew both tails inside the hat, and you can make your own pom-pom. I didn't sew the handmade pom-pom. I saw the fluffy pom-pom. I think it looks nicer, and I'm going to show you just how I sew the tail inside the hat. So this way you will sew the tail, and then you will turn and sew it back. That's all. Just cut the yarn, and that's really all. Okay, and this is my my knitted hat. It's size for 6 to 9 months old baby, and it's not from natural materials, so it's stretchy and it will be a little bigger after wearing. I could use also this pom-pom or this pom-pom. All pom-poms will be nice on the hat. So it's up to you what you will do with your hat. And I'm going to show you more sizes. This is bigger hat with my pom-pom. And this is smaller hat also with my pom-pom. So I hope it was understandable. If it wasn't, just let me know below the video and I will try to help you. Have a great day and see you soon. Bye bye.